Social media does more harm than good. It distracts, manipulates, consumes. It is the silent thief of our peace.
Harms. Social media connects the world. It informs, inspires, empowers.
Every swipe, every notification pulls students away from studies, life, family.
Or maybe it's just about learning self-control. Social media is a tool. The user decides how it is worked.
Online bullying, hate comments, trolls, etc. aren't they born on social media and they scar quite deeply.
Bullying. Bullying existed long before social media. The platform did not create bullying. Bullying created the problem.
Social media destroys confidence. Filters, comparisons, they whisper, you are not good enough.
You can improve. Motivation lives there too.
And misinformation, fake news spreads faster than the truth. One wrong post can cause chaos. Then let's teach digital literacy, not shut down the platform.
You lose real communication. Families sit together but stare at screens apart.
And yet, social media unites families through continents. Distance shrink with a single video call.
Morning to night, students check the reels, comments, and likes. It is an addiction, a silent trap.
Addiction comes from overuse and moderation turns it into acid. We curate a fake life just for likes. We forget how to live a real life.
But social media also spreads ideas, arts, talent. It gives who have never won. Privacy is dead. Every click, every view, every detail. Packed, sold, stored.
Privacy is a choice. Settings exist. Use them wisely.
Social media pulls life, living, and purpose. It harms more than it heals.
Social media used wisely educates, entertains, and connects. The power lies in the hand of the user.
Connection is nothing if the mind is disconnected from peace.
Peace is a mindset, not a platform setting.
One viral lie can damage someone's life. One viral truth can save it too.
People change likes, not dreams.
Social media sparks dreams. It gives motivation and opportunity.
Social media steals time, privacy, confidence, and mental peace. It does far more harm than it helps.
Social media is not the villain. Educate, guide, and balance. Don't blame the platform.
A world with less social media is a real living world.
A world with social media used wisely is a world closer, stronger, and smarter.
Thank you.